In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple Google Sheets at once. By the end, you'll be able to spin up several sheets quickly and keep them open side by side in your browser for easy comparison and multitasking. Start inside any Google Sheets file you already have open. This is your launch point. Keeping one sheet open makes it simple to create additional ones without going back to your drive or leaving your current workflow. Look to the menu bar at the very top of the screen and click File. This is the main menu where Google Sheets hides a lot of useful creation and management options. When the File menu opens, move your mouse down and hover over New. Don't click yet, just rest your cursor there for a moment. A small sub-menu will slide out to the right. This is where you tell Google Sheets exactly what you want to create. Now click Spreadsheet. The moment you do, Google Sheets generates a brand new blank spreadsheet and opens it in a new browser tab. Nothing in your original sheet is changed, and you don't lose your place. You've now got at least two sheets open at once, your original tab, plus the new one that just appeared. To open more, simply repeat the same quick flow. File, hover over New, then click Spreadsheet again. Each time you do it, another sheet opens in its own tab, letting you juggle as many as you need. This is especially helpful when you're comparing data across projects, copying ranges from one place to another, or drafting a fresh sheet while keeping a reference open. A quick tip to stay organized. After each new sheet opens, click the title at the top left and give it a clear name. Renaming right away makes it much easier to spot the right tab when you've got several open. If you prefer working side by side, you can arrange your browser windows so multiple tabs are visible at once, or simply switch between tabs as needed. The content in every sheet saves automatically as you go. If you don't immediately see the new submenu, make sure you clicked File first. Sometimes on smaller screens, the menus feel a bit compact. And remember, you're not duplicating your current sheet here. You're creating a fresh blank one every time you choose Spreadsheet. That's all it takes. By using File, hovering over New, and choosing Spreadsheet, you can open multiple Google Sheets quickly and keep your work flowing without missing a beat.